Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss free cash for car repairs. Guys, in this economy, people don't have a choice right now. It's either fix your car or pay your rent. And so they drive cars until the wheels fall off, like literally. And there's nothing that they can do because they have to feed their families. You got to have a roof over your head. But that's where I come in because I found some ways to get you some money, honey. So if you want to know how to get this money for your car, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that. So while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, especially if you love me bringing this content. Now, guys, if you hear some storming going on just when I hit the record button, it is now storming outside. So yeah, if it gets too bad, we'll shut the video down. But if you are a EBT recipient or you don't have Amazon Prime, you can try it out absolutely free for 30 days by clicking the link above or down in the description box. Now, guys, there are so many nonprofit programs as well as government programs that will help you pay for car repairs, especially for specific groups. So if you're like a veteran, if you are a young adult that's employed, as well as a seasoned senior, but these offerings are limited. So the first program we're going to go to is the Consumer Assistance Program, also known as CAP. This provides like financial assistance to help with emission-related repairs and star test and repair stations. Yeah, I don't know about all that, right? But you can receive $1,200 in emission-related repairs for vehicles that were made after 1996, and for those that were made before 1996, you can get $900. Now, there is an income requirement. This program is open to everyone because it's pretty much like the emission that's coming from the vehicle. They don't want it to pollute the air, and so they do have this, but you have to check like if your vehicle meets certain requirements. So that doesn't include like an oil change or anything. But we're going to kick things off in California, where there are programs that are offering financial help for repairing like your air conditioning system as well. So like in Fresno, they have the Car Care Council, which they recently introduced a new program for the Central Valley. So this program is kind of in its soft launch phase, but it offers financial assistance for repairing a faulty or leaking air conditioning system in cars and light duty trucks. Now, this is a rebate that you would get where it covers up to $1,875. That includes like your diagnostic fees as well, even if you move forward with those eligible repairs. Now, experts say that the leaking air conditioning system, it has not only make your drive uncomfortable, but it contributes to poor air quality and increase like asthma rates as well. So they do have this program that's available to the residents of Fresno, Merced, Madera, Visalia, as well as Hanford. Now, the nonprofit group, they are expected to release more information about it before the general public, but it is scheduled to launch on July 18th. Of course, if you apply online, you will get faster results, but if you are unable to apply online, you can download a printable version of the application. Once your application is submitted and they do review it, they'll let you know if you have been approved for eligibility. If you are approved for it, then they're going to send you a letter with instructions as well. Now, they do prioritize like Medi, Cal Works, Cal Fresh, SNAP, as well as Healthy Families as well. So, hey, if you're in California, need your air conditioning, it's too hot. It's too hot to be riding with no air conditioning. But next we're headed to Michigan, where they are offering vehicle repair programs as well for their residents. So Northeast Michigan Community Service Agency, they are offering vehicle repair assistance for eligible residents of Alcona, Alpena, Arnett. Yeah, if I say these wrong, they have a lot of counties, okay? We'll just go ahead and I'll put a list of the counties, but this organization in Michigan, it focuses primarily on where the vehicle is the household or the primary vehicle used within your household. So that's who they give priority to, because this is the vehicle that you rely on for work, for school, for transporting your children to childcare or to school. So funding is limited as well. Eligibility requirements for this one is 200% of the federal poverty level. You have to have a valid Michigan's driver's license. The vehicle, once again, must be your primary transportation, and the repairs should not exceed the vehicle's retail value as well. So for this one, I'll put the information on the screen. They do have a email contact, or you can contact the Northeast Michigan Community Service Agency as well. So once again, check out your local agencies. But next we are headed to Columbus, Ohio, where they are investing $500,000 to repair cars for low-income residents. So once again, this is another program that will connect residents with free car repairs. And this is in its 4th year for this program. It's called Project Taillight. It launched during the pandemic, where you can get free repairs on like your tail lights, your headlights, turn signals, just small issues to low-income Columbus residents. As of right now, I think they said they helped about 300 people since it launched, but with majority of the residents being Black and female. Now, the investment cap that they have for this program is $3,200, but also in Ohio, they have the Community Action Organization, which they have a vehicle repair program as well, and they have combined this with their workforce solutions as well as their community development, and they help people get their vehicles back on the road. So they had what was like a pilot vehicle repair program. So this program is rooted like in the workforce, and they will provide up to $2,500 per individual, addressing necessary repairs to allow you to get your vehicle back on the road so you can have gainful employment as well. So with this program, you're unable to even get that money if you don't even have a job. So pretty much it's like if your car is breaking down, they're looking at ways that they can assist you to get your car back on the road or keep it running so you can go to work. But some of their repairs include like elective and non-essential items like your radio, speakers, upholstery, windshield, windows, paint, body, rust repair, gasoline, air conditioning systems, recreational vehicle repair, and they also will even help you with motorcycles as well. But remember, for this one, you have to have a job. And if your vehicle doesn't, if the cost doesn't exceed $2,500, then they'll give you 2 months of free vehicle insurance payments as well. So total from this program, you can't get more than $2,500. So if your car takes the whole full $2,500, that's all you get. But if your fees only add up to $1,800, then you can get the other $700 that could go towards like your insurance as well. So if you are going to receive any type of service, you have to have insurance anyway. They won't even use your car or fix your car if you don't have an insurance, with the exception of like youth participants as well. But you have to show where you have completed like your driver's education or you have a driver's license program. So this opened up on April 1st of this year, 2024, and it's set to end on June 30th of 2025 as well. And then another one in Ohio, they have the Garage Impact, which this one is like a full market retail. It's kind of like a customer service type thing. Now they have where they would do like oil changes, tire service, AC brakes, diagnostics as well. But technicians, they do have like a pre-inspection for your vehicle. And then what they do is they offer you reduced fees based on certain requirements as well. So they do have for this program, Impact Garage, you must be employed at least 30 hours, 150% of the federal poverty level as well. So Ohio has quite a few programs. Next, we're headed to Iowa, where Embrace Iowa has helped people with their car repairs, especially for those that are traveling to medical appointments. And these are programs that my seasoned seniors can apply for as well. But Embrace Iowa, this has been a campaign helping eligible citizens all across Iowa, and they will give them a grant for $750. But it's the individuals themselves that have to go and get everything started as well. So like if you have any type of medical issue, some type of financial restraint as well, then you can go ahead and apply. But you must reside in Iowa, be at or below 200% of the federal poverty level. And then eligible households, you can receive up to $750. And that could be to purchase like appliances, car repairs, depending on what you submit to them. They can also give you like dental service, medication, eyeglasses, furniture, home repairs, and other essential items as well. Now, this application for Iowa, though, it only opens once a year. It opens on December 1st and it ends at the end of January. So you wouldn't be able to apply for this one to around December. But this is why, like, I put this stuff out, guys, because you can search items ahead of time just to get your ducks in a row. So that way, you know what's going on as well. With Iowa, they want kind of where you went to like a car shop or a car dealer, and where you actually received an invoice stating, hey, this is what's going on, and they're going to give that grant money directly to who is going to service your vehicle as well. Now, of course, you always have like your manufacturer warranty, so you can look at like the National Highway Traffic Safety and Administration, because they do put things out for like car tires, equipment, seats, or any other safety features. So if this happens, of course, you should be able to get those repairs or replacements done for free. Also, don't forget to like check the warranty on your vehicle, because sometimes you can get things repaired underneath warranty if it is under warranty as well. Many new and certified like pre-owned vehicles, they do come with warranties that offer a wide range of repairs as well. But basic warranties usually cover like that basic wear and tear for a certain period of time, or depending on the miles that you have. And then some people do take out extended warranties as well, where you can get additional coverage on your vehicle's electrical or mechanical components as well. But next we are headed to Florida, where they do have the Fix It Ford Central Florida. Now, their top priority is assisting like people that are homeless, as well as disabled combat veterans. The program is ran by a vet as well. And then their third priority is senior citizens as well. But they do assist a lot of single female head of households, those with families and small children as well. And the one thing that I liked about this one is they have like a priority of how they do their fixing or repairs as well. So for those that need like brakes and shocks and struts and bolt and wheel bearings, you could tell this is not my thing, right? They have those where they will fix first, but they are located in Seminole, Orange, and Volusia County in as well. So definitely check them out. In Texas, they do have the Auto Care Haven, which fix the vehicles of low-income drivers in the Dallas-Fort Worth area who cannot afford repairs as well. Now, the Auto Care Haven, this is a small operation. I mean, super small, guys. They do have where you can apply online, but because of the time and the charity, like what it is in size, it can be overwhelming. I think they only accept like 20 applicants per month. So as of right now, they're closed, but they will open up they'll open up next month. We also have in South Carolina, where the Automotive Service Assistance is accepting applications. They started this on June 15th, where families and individuals needing financial assistance with like auto repairs and services, that you can apply for assistance as well. Now, they do give you your assistance on a sliding scale as well, where it can be anywhere from 25% to 97% to help cover the cost of automotive repairs and services based on your income. So they only accept, once again, like 20 cars per month. So some of the applications right now are currently being waitlisted. So for this one, you still would have to pay, but just say if your transmission was $3,500, and then on the sliding scale, based on what you brought them, you get 97% off. So then maybe you only pay what, I don't know, like $300 versus the $3,500. So these are some of the things that we have. I thought this would be a great video to do, because right now it's hot, and if you are without air conditioning, you are wrong. I don't even know how you're surviving. But also, these are things that sometimes maybe you just didn't know that you can apply for. If I didn't mention your state, please don't charge it to my heart. It wasn't that I was avoiding your state. honestly, there's only so many programs and this video only can be so long. But now that you know that these programs do exist, I would say definitely go to Google, dial 211 or 311 or 411, depending on where you're located. But also reach out to nonprofits and organizations as well, because a lot of times they do have where they will be able to give you this assistance. So this is all we have. As always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, grab you some Amazon Prime, and yeah, let me know what you thought about this video. And are you going to be applying or submitting your applications? Because this is some good info. And I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.